Go.
Branch of cat line. What do you call it?
Savannah.
Savannah? Is that what you call it?
Come on.
That's what cat species
Oh
are
my
called?
god, I cannot believe
I'm half listening.
That's so crazy.
Come on. You want to see something even better?
Yeah.
See if he'll try and
Bring it
jump
back
in the air
to
and
me.
catch it.
You have the most amazing cats I've ever seen.
Do what?
You have cats that molest people and cats that fetch.
See if he'll catch something in the air.
Like a dog.
Sometimes he can. He catches those in the air.
I think that's probably too
sorry,
heavy.
Jade. I'm sorry. You have to make it challenging or they hate it. Come on, Jadalyn. Come on. You look so smug.
My camera's doing the same thing again.
Is it?
Uh-huh.
His name is Jadalyn Jr.
Jiggling what?
Jadalyn Justine.
Did he just run to the wall?
Oh.
Come on, Jadalyn.
Actually, that's so sexy.
I know, right?
She likes it when you put it in the closet, because then you have to look for him.
I think.
Throw it underneath the TV. Will he crawl under?
Yeah, will he do that? Did you get it?
You know what my kitten Rowan did last night? Yesterday that I've never seen a kitten do? She